So I decided to make like a mini worm farm slash compost box, because some of the food that's getting thrown away, it can go in there, and it's like $7 every time you go buy a thing of worms to go fishing. So you might as well just try to produce your own worms. So I'm gonna take y'all along this journey and see how it goes. I'm starting with this seed starting mix that's made with coconut coir. So I have a 7-gallon storage container, and I'm gonna use half of this because it says that it can expand to about 8 quarts. So let's see if that's gonna be enough. So it's actually raining pretty hard out here right now, and I think I'm gonna use the rainwater. I think that's a little bit more natural, you know, so that might be good. It's coming down for real, but that's what I like to see. And I need about 2 quarts of water. So I'm gonna let this fill up. So for preparing my storage bin, it's a 7-gallon bin, and I'm gonna put holes with this. It's a 3/16. I guess that's how you say it. I'm gonna put a hole on each one of these divots and on all of these spots on each side, just to give it some ventilation. So I just took a Sharpie and marked each spot that I'm going to be putting a hole in. So now the top is done, so I'm moving to the side, and I'm just going to go about 3 inches down from the top, so about right there. Now that we've prepped everything, let's talk a little bit about the mixture. This seed starting mixture plus shredded cardboard is going to be the perfect environment for the worms, because it can hold moisture without being too wet, and it's going to be super breathable for them. So I'm going to fill this bin up to about 5 to 6 inches. So actually I only made about 4 inches, and I think that's enough, but I could always go back and use that other half. But right now I'm just gonna fluff this out, because I don't want anything to be too compacted. And also, as you can see, it's dripping a little, so I may take some of that out so it can just be a little bit more drier than what it is right now. You want your mixture to be wet but not soaking wet, so just keep in mind how much water you're adding. And it might not look like it's a lot, but look how much water I was able to get off that. And I think this is pretty good now. It's not too compact, it's not too wet, so it's time to add the worms. So I counted the other day, and I had about 21. They're moving a little slow because they were in the fridge. They're slowly waking up. And I'm not going to force them to move. I'm just going to leave the lid open for a minute, and since they're exposed to light, they'll find their way down. So we'll be back in a moment. After just a few minutes, they've all made their way into their new home. Going forward, I'll be feeding them things like lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, apple cores, soft fruits and vegetables. No citrus because it can be a little bit too acidic, and we want to keep the pH of the bin in a good place so they can continue to be healthy and balanced and compost well. Lastly, a healthy temperature for them is between 65 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. I bought a soil thermometer and it'll be in within the next few days, so I'll be monitoring them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspiring to you, and stay tuned for future videos and future updates.